Hey guys, how you going? Match. 36.5, thank you. Thank you. I'll give you masks. Yes, yeah. Just get you to put those on. And I'll get you going down. Yeah, those were
Hello.
yeah, this is for what is looking to upgrade this phone.
Yeah. Midnight green, gold, silver, space gray. Done, done, done.
Thank you so much. Okay. 1, 2, 3, smile. Thank you.
No drama.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, welcome back to our channel. Finally, some of the COVID restrictions have now been lifted, and this is a perfect opportunity to find a replacement for my broken iPhone. Unfortunately, I did not buy the Apple Care cover for this phone, and that was a very expensive learning for myself. So now, let's make our way to the Apple Store. When we arrived, we have noticed that the process of buying an Apple device has changed so much, and this is now the new norm.
Just get some, make sure that we're here. Do you know what color and capacity you want in?
Yeah.
It's Apple Care, perfect. This is reserved. Hold down here for me. What's your first name? Yeah.
You want me?
Just the first name.
Paul.
Paul, and your last name, Paul? And just the contact number.
431.
Thank you. Alrighty, I'll get you in now. Alrighty, what we need to do, if you've got through security and you're going into this line here. Okay?
Okay.
No worries. You just have to set it first.
Thank you. Another plan na payment plan.
Hey guys, how you going? You both coming in? Just got a few questions for you guys, if that's alright. Any fevers at all?
No.
Any coughs?
No.
Any respiratory issues? Have you come into contact with anyone that's had COVID-19 in the last 14 days? Excellent. Thank you very much. 36.5, thank you. Thank you. I'll give you masks. Yes, sir. There you go, man. Just get you to put those on. And I'll get you going down to the next available line at the front. Thank you. Hey guys, I'll just get you to go down the next line.
What kailangan services?
Hi.
Did you put an iPhone 11 Pro Max for yourself?
Yes.
Yeah, for what is looking to upgrade this phone.
Yeah.
And looking to have Apple Care because this is for
So sad. I can definitely help out with that one. Thank you.
Thank you.
Come on, you guys.
coming out later?
Table is here. Alright, so essentially the one that we put down was the 256, is that right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that one. Plus the Apple Care.
Color.
Face spray.
Face.
Here.
This is the midnight green.
That's the midnight green. Yeah.
Yeah, this looks nice.
Yeah.
I'll try something different.
Okay.
Yeah.
It is through glass, yeah. But this
Oh.
one, it is just like a matte. It's a matte finish.
Look at Apple Care anymore.
Apple Care.
This one we didn't have Apple Care,
We
so
bought it last year.
Sorry.
still fresh.
Bye.
I don't know.
The buttons on the side to take
Did
a
I?
screenshot.
Ah, alright.
Anyway, with the displays on.
That was it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I
It's no good really.
Yeah.
mean, could have just replaced it if I had the Apple.
Yes. Oh.
Today we will get
We'll
one.
do it this time. Yay. Do we need to look at any cases or screen protectors?
Yeah. Oh, well, just a simple one for now.
Simple one.
And yeah,
Let's go down and have a look. We're just going to head to the back of the store here.
yeah.
Got anything along this wall here?
Yeah.
Something like clear to show off the midnight green, or we do have like some leather options, some silicone. Like the silicone will be 65, the leather will be 79. We do have like these like little pop socket ones. I think they're about 90. Yeah. What do you like? Perfect.
Okay.
Awesome. We'll go for this one. I got the phone brought out to me.
Oh,
That's nice.
I know. We've just got magic little elves in it. So they're beautiful. We've got 256 in the 11 Pro Max, and then we're going to put that with the black case.
yeah.
Beautiful. All right.
Well, you're wearing a mask to explore, right?
Obviously closed down for 2 months.
Yes,
yeah.
it's true.
So I just gotta watch a lot of YouTube, don't I? And so
Yeah.
all of the, like, I guess all of the YouTubers that I'm watching, they're like, I guess what to do in quarantine.
That's true.
What to eat in the day, or like, what can we do? Let's go baking. Pardon me?
Did you do some of that?
I don't know that. I mean, I don't know how you guys go editing. I'm like, honestly, like,
yeah.
I watch the way that some people edit everything together.
Yeah.
And I'm like, what? So you record yourself for the day, but then how long does it take you to edit, to put everything
It takes
together?
about maybe 2 to 3 days.
2 to 3 days, so it's still...
With a voiceover and a
Yeah.
music.
Yeah. I'm very much a watcher and an appreciator, but I'm also a full-time student, so I'm just like, I watch YouTube when I'm procrastinating doing my work, and then people that I watch that have, you know, they do jobs and they have uni, and I'm like, how do you guys?
Yeah. Best job for. Okay. Something in healthcare, I think that's the most secure. COVID is proof that it's the most secure job.
Yes. We always need people to be healthy and alive, otherwise what is the society?
Everything else got shut down. The
Exactly.
airline pilots and everything.
Exactly.
You can work anywhere as well.
Very true.
Anywhere in the world.
Very true. Glad you guys are safe, and you've also got your side hustle there as well. For your receipt, you're going to email that one through to you. Do you want me to print it out?
Email.
Email, please.
Email to the J. Done.
Thank you so
Can we
much.
take a quick post?
Of course.
like-
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even with our social distancing, I'm like,
yes.
1, 2, 3, smile. Thank you. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you.
It was very
It was
easy.
lovely to meet you guys.
Thank you so
Can I watch
much.
your videos?
Yeah,
Like,
Lauren and Paul TV.
Lauren and Paul TV.
Yeah.
Yes. Actually,
Thank you.
I'm going to check you guys out.
Thank you so
And
much.
then you'll see yourself there then.
Thank you without the face. Thank you.
See ya. Thank you.
See ya. That was easy. You wanna check on the phone and video, like video on the various phones too? Okay.
Yan na lang, yan na ba? Pagawa na rin ba?
Yeah, all good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Gusto na nung ko mag-edit na kay more interesting kayo nag-mask yung the new normal.
Yeah.
Wow, that was a very interesting experience. But nevertheless, a big shout out to the Apple Store staff in Westfield, Carindale. They were very efficient and made sure that everyone was safe and followed the social distancing guidelines. We were very satisfied with their service. A very big 10 out of 10. Well, that's it for now. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.